Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to post a picture of your work when your teacher asks you to post your work. So first of all, of course, you need to be in Teams, and sometimes it works better if you use the desktop app instead of going through ClassLink. Or when you go through ClassLink, if it asks you to use desktop app, click on that. So now I'm going to find my homeroom. Okay. Then up at the top, I'm going to click on assignments. This is where you'll find any work that has been assigned to you. Alright, so now this is where I want to post. I'm going to click on here. And here's all my instructions. I'm going to make sure I read through all my instructions. But here is where I want to post. You're not going to click add work. You're going to click right here. And it's going to take you right into the notebook. Alright, so now if I want to post, let's say under day 1, I'm going to click under day 1. Then I'll hit insert, picture from camera. Now what might happen is it may ask you, do you want to allow access? You're going to say allow. There you go. It says allow assignments to access your device. Allow. If you have said deny, then it's not going to take the picture. But if you have, you can always, like it says, go to your settings to change that and say allow. Alright, so now I'm going to take a picture of my work. I'm going to hit the camera button. I'm going to make sure my work is in full view and it's nice and clear. My teacher can see it. I'm going to take the photo. Now if I don't like it, what I can do is retake it, or if it's not clear, I can hit retake. If it looks good, I can hit insert. May take a minute. And it's right there. And then that's it. I hit close and it's saved. Once I am done with this assignment, I'm going to hit turn in. And a little animation pops up and it says you turned it in. And let's say I didn't want to turn it in. So, oops, like it says here, do not turn in until Friday. So now I can undo. And now my teacher no longer has it. Hope this